Yo, what's damn. Whoa. What's going on, YouTube? So today I'm going to be installing a new spoiler on my car. I currently have the M Performance spoiler. So it's like the one that you see like on the M2s and stuff. A lot of people have this one. It's just the BMW one, factory spoiler. Yeah. So that's the spoiler that I have on it right now. I'm going to remove that. And we're gonna put on a GTX style spoiler. I got it from RW Carbon, so it's another item I got. And then I mentioned in the last video that I actually have a front lip coming in later on this month, so we'll be putting that on as well. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started and stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is try to remove this. Usually what I do is, like, when I change the spoiler to the M4 style spoiler on my 1 Series, that's where luckily I could find some areas where it was lifting a little bit, and I kind of just lift it up and kind of work my way through. Most of the time they're connected with like 3M double-sided tape, so I'm gonna just try to find a point like that. This one seems to be on there pretty well. Alright guys, so got the spoiler off. You can see all this freaking that shit's nasty, all this glue and this dirt and stuff that's under there. Gonna go ahead and clean this up. I like to use clay bar, and sometimes I use a little bit of WD-40, but we're gonna probably heat it up a little bit more so that it kind of just comes off easy. Well, it's actually coming off kind of easy now, so we'll see. But yeah, gonna get to it, and then after that I'll test with the spoiler and you guys will finally get to see what it looks like. Alright guys, so got most of the adhesive off. Just gonna hit it with like a little bit of clay bar, see if I can get this little last layer off, but got a majority of it off, so gonna do that. So I got the detail spray, gonna hit with some clay bar, and then I'll update you guys with the test fit. Alright, what's going on guys? So it is the next day. I actually ran out of time yesterday. It got too dark and I didn't feel like working in the dark. I was having some issues getting the adhesive off, so we are inside my house and we are getting ready to start taping up the spoiler. We got the spoiler right there, the double-sided tape, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so what I'm doing now, I'm pretty much just going to try to test fit it. So what I'm going to do is figure out what I think looks good, and then we're going to go ahead and mark it with like some painter's tape. That way we have an idea of where exactly the spoiler is supposed to sit. So when we take off the tape, it'll be a lot easier to have it in the position we need it, and we're not going to have to try to lift it up and try to get it to where we think looks best. That's just a little tip that I recommend for you to do when you're mounting one of these. And so you guys can see, just put the 3M tape all around like that, and then we're gonna have to take off all those little pieces, and then it should mount right up and we'll be all good to go. Alright YouTube, got all the tape off. Well, not off, but the, what's it called, off. I'm gonna just wipe this down real quick and we should be able to mount. Alright, so it's on there. That's what it's gonna look like. Chee, that shit looks hella aggressive. I've always liked this spoiler for the longest. I've just never actually went about buying it, but you can see how much bigger it is and how much more aggressive it looks. So there's that. I'm just gonna do one last thing. I'm gonna put tape on it. That way it can stick better. And I'm gonna leave it like that overnight and we should be all good to go. So I'll film that for you guys, and then yeah. Alright guys, so after letting the spoiler sit, here is how it is looking. I'm loving it, honestly guys. I really like this spoiler a lot. I feel like it just makes the rear end complete. Yeah guys, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little install video. Like I said, gonna be doing a little bit more and more to the car. slowly but surely. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more on Primus Auto Works. Peace.